Hey guys, it's me, Got Your Gal 38 here. How are you? Well, my package came today. It's a replacement for my Apple Watch. I don't know if you knew, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that my Apple Watch had a swollen battery and it popped the screen out. And that's happened like 2 months ago. 2 months ago. I tried to wear a different watch. It just wasn't the same, y'all. So today I will be unboxing the replacement and I'm so excited, ready to go. So let go. Alright, so here is the box right here. It doesn't have a label of saying where it's from, but yes, here's my Apple Watch. Just want to show you how it was packaged, and that's how it looks on the back right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it right here. This incision. I believe that's all it is. Let's put this back over here. Make sure I'm in frame for y'all. So let's go ahead and do it. Ooh, look at this box. Apple Watch. Wow. Oh, it looked like it come in like a brand new box. It's nice. If you hear any noise in the background, I have a lot of things going. The TV is going, air conditioning running, my husband's oxygen is running, so just bear with me. So look at that, really nice. It says Apple Watch, it's got this sleeve on it, and now my telephone is ringing. Okay, I'm back. So let's go ahead and take this sleeve off. Oh, there you go. I love Apple's packaging. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing you see Apple Care service. So let's check this out. So there you go. All in different languages. Yep. And here is the Apple Watch. Look how it's packaged. That's really, really nice. It feels like the same box as the original package is. So yeah. So let's take it out here. Let's see how it looks. I should have took a picture how it looked before I sent it. Yeah, I mean, I did take a picture of the screen popped out, and maybe I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, let's go ahead and undo this. Ooh, there it is. There it is. It looks really, ooh, it looks really, really good. I believe this is a new one because the back of it is not scratched. And mine was scratched. Either new or just they replaced everything. So let's go ahead and see if we got some juice. Ooh, there's that one. Very nice. I am so happy to get my Apple Watch back. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and put my bands on it because I'm ready to use this. Y'all, I am so happy to get my watch back. Y'all don't know. But thank you for watching. Have any questions, leave it down below. And follow me on my social links. And yeah. Thank you guys for your love and support. And yeah. Toodles.